Mercedes-Benz hybrid fault warning light. Dashboard lights can be confusing and worrisome. There's so many of them. What do they all mean? Don't worry, they are not all bad. We made this video to help you understand the meaning. How do warning lights work? When you start your car, you will notice the lights on the dash come on all together. This is to check that all the bulbs and connected components are working as they should. These should turn off after a few seconds, but if one or more stay illuminated, it is to warn of potential problem. Warning lights can also come on whilst driving. If this happens, depending on the color and icon displayed, you may have to pull over and investigate at your first safe opportunity to do so. Mercedes-Benz hybrid fault warning light. Our hybrid systems are there to reduce emissions and improve performance. This clever system can shut down the combustion engine, and instead allow the battery to power your car. If this warning light comes on, this indicates a fault with the hybrid system. Stop when it's safe to do so and try turning the car off for a few minutes to allow the computer to recalibrate. If this doesn't clear, contact us and one of our experts will take a look. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more. If you find this video useful, please like and share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, we'll respond.